In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a Slack channel. Whether you're connecting with a new team member or simply expanding your channel's reach, adding someone to your Slack channel is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, ensure you're on the Slack webpage. You can navigate to Slack by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Slack in the search bar, or you can enter the URL directly by typing in slack.com. This will take you to the main page of Slack, the versatile AI work management and productivity tool many teams use for seamless communication. Once there, you'll need to sign in. Slack offers a convenient option to sign in with your Google account, which can be particularly handy if you frequently use Google services. Look for the Sign in with Google button on the main page. Simply click on it and follow any prompts that may appear. Ensure you're using the correct Google account associated with your Slack workspace for a smooth login experience. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub where all your workspace activities and communications take place. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Slack. The interface is designed to help you manage your communications efficiently. The next step is to locate the option to invite someone. On your dashboard, you'll find a button or link that says Invite People. Clicking on this option will prompt you to the invitation page. This is where you have the opportunity to bring new members into your team or channel. Once you have clicked on the Invite People button, you'll be presented with several options on how to send the invitation. You can directly enter the email address of the person you want to add. Slack makes this simple by guiding you through the necessary fields to complete this task. All you need is the recipient's email and a few clicks, and you're almost there. After you've entered the email address, you'll also have the option to include a personalized message along with the invitation. This can be a friendly note to introduce yourself or simply to explain why you're adding them to the channel. It's a nice touch that can make the onboarding process feel more personal and welcoming. Once everything is set up, go ahead and hit the Send Invitation button. The intended recipient will receive an email with an invite to join your Slack workspace. After they accept the invitation, they'll become a part of your channel, ready to engage and collaborate. And that's pretty much it. Adding someone to your Slack channel is that simple and convenient. With these steps, you can effortlessly integrate new members into your team, enriching your communication and productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.